Hey guys, Joseph here. Now for today's video, we're going to be showing you VIOFO's latest one-channel 2K dashcam, the all-new VIOFO WM1. Now before we dive into the features of this, let's check out the comment from Scotty D317 in our Blackview DR970X 2-channel in-depth video review. Here's what he said. What's the difference between the normal one and the LTE version I'm looking to buy dashcam? Now great question. Between the standard Blackview DR970X 2-channel and the LTE, the main difference would be the built-in 4G LTE connectivity in the LTE version. With the LTE, you no longer need the CM100G LTE module, as the 4G connectivity is already built into the camera. Also, you no longer have to purchase a separate SIM card, as a SIM card already comes included with every package of the LTE, which makes it way more convenient and handy. Now, the SIM card that comes included is a Blackview SIM card, so you'll have to register for a monthly plan with them if you want Blackview Cloud. Though, the camera does also take third-party cards as well. It supports AT&T and T-Mobile networks in the US, as well as Bell, Rogers, and Telus networks in Canada. That said though, if you're considering between the two, the LTE module is slightly larger in size compared to the 2-channel variant. So if you're looking for a camera that's small in profile, and you're not planning on using the cloud features, then we'd say stick with the DR970X. The DR970X is an upgraded version of the DR900X Plus, now built with a new Sigma Star CPU and an ISP tuning software that automatically enhances your video's white balance, exposure, and dynamic range. In terms of connectivity, it's also got dual band Wi-Fi, so if you want to stay connected and transform your dashcam like an instant mobile hotspot, the DR970X is compatible with the CM100G LTE module. So to sum it all up, both dashcams have more or less the exact same features, it's just that the LTE one has built-in LTE while the DR970X does not. If you got more questions on which new Blackview models to get, hit us up and we're happy to help. Both of these versions are available now at BlackboxMyCar. Introducing the VIOFO WM1. So speaking of new models, let's move on to the recently launched VIOFO dashcam that we're reviewing today. Along with the VIOFO A139 Pro, there's a new dashcam that we're excited to show to those of you looking for something budget-friendly, 2K, front-only, and something super small. Meet the all-new VIOFO WM1 one-channel 2K dashcam. So what's in the box? The WM1 is a brand new dashcam model from VIOFO. It records in 2K QHD and is a single-channel dashcam like the VIOFO A119 V3. But the big difference here with the WM1 is that it doesn't have a screen. In fact, it's VIOFO's smallest dashcam to date. Honestly, how small is it? So if you're wondering how small it's designed to be, it's almost the same size as the 12-volt car charger. Now let's find other things to compare the size to, say a banana, your palm, a phone. Oh, you get the point. And we hope you don't get them mixed up when you take it out of the box. So aside from the WM1 dashcam and the 12-volt car charger, every package also includes a USB-C data cable, windshield static sticker, and trim removal tools. If you're thinking of hardwiring the WM1 for parking mode, do note that it uses the VIOFO HK4 ACC hardwiring kit, which doesn't come included in the box, so you can purchase one separately when you're making a purchase. And the microSD card isn't included either, so you can pick one up when you're making a purchase as well. The WM1 can support up to 256 gigs microSD card, just like the other VIOFO models. Let's talk about the design. 3 words: small, simple, stealthy. If you're the type of driver who prefers a more discreet and screenless front channel dashcam, you're going to appreciate how the new WM1 is built. A close equivalent would be the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, which is around 1.23 inch by 2.1 inch by 1.14 inch. Designed like a tube, the single camera WM1 dashcam's overall dimensions are only 3.87 inches long, 1.04 inch thick, and 1.21 inch in height, and they've managed to squeeze 4 buttons in the back as well. For its lens, the WM1 has a 60-degree rotatable camera mount attached to the back of the dashcam, which saves space when compared to dashcams with top mounts. The improved design enables easier hidden installation as well as multiple angles to suit your needs. Now, we understand that in the US, some states do have some dashcam legality issues, requiring only a specific size of dashcam to be installed in their vehicles, and of course, to avoid distraction. We have a full article on this which we'll include in the links below. And the VIOFO WM1 is just the perfect answer for that. On the main unit, you can see 4 buttons: record, mic, Wi-Fi, and the one-click emergency lock button. It's designed to be bigger compared to other VIOFO dash cams. This lock button is essential for manual recording or bookmarking specific footage which are essential for capturing evidence. It also uses a Type-C power port, so you plug that in directly into the dashcam mount. So the last thing we'll mention is the new voice notification system that VIOFO introduced with its newest, more recent VIOFO dashcams. Those of you who are familiar with their previous models may remember that really annoying beeping sound. So with this new voice notification system, it'll notify you of events in parking mode, when you return to the vehicle, and the current status of the camera as well.
Video protected.
Moving on to the video quality, despite its small size, the WM1 records high quality, stunning footage in 2K QHD. In addition to a Novatec NTK96565 chipset, it also includes a 5-megapixel Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor that captures the road ahead in 1440p at 30 frames per second. Wide dynamic range also balances exposure on shadows and highlights, capturing important details like road signs and license plates. Again, it doesn't support a rear camera, it only covers the front, and it's a 135-degree field of view. Moving on to the Wi-Fi and Mobile App. So in terms of built-in connectivity, it's got built-in 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So it's not going to be as fast as 5 gigahertz, but at least Wi-Fi is there. It's screenless, but you can access instantly to your footage through the VIOFO mobile app, available in both Android and iOS. After you've downloaded it, make sure to update it from time to time so you can enjoy the latest software updates. VIOFO updates their firmware a lot because they're constantly improving the performance of their dash cams. If you're connecting to the WM1, you can press on the Wi-Fi button on the face of your dash cam directly. And once it's turned on, the Wi-Fi LED should light up as well. To connect, go to your Wi-Fi on your phone and look for the Wi-Fi name, VIOFO model name, and the default password is 1 through 8. Again, once your phone is connected, the LED light will turn to a solid blue. Next, launch the VIOFO app on your smartphone and select Connect Your Camera. You'll know your phone is already connected to the WM1 when you see the live view of your cameras on your phone screen. Moving on to file storage and playback. So aside from using the VIOFO app for viewing, you can also take the microSD card out of the dashcam and plug it into your computer if you want to stream on a bigger screen. VIOFO doesn't offer any desktop viewers, so you're going to have to use a third-party program like Dashcam Viewer, which we highly recommend for VIOFO. You can also connect the dashcam directly to your computer using the included Type-C data cable, or even use an SD card adapter to view the footage directly on your phone. The WM1 supports microSD cards up to 256 gigs. And one thing to note is that the files on your WM1 are recorded in H.265 and saved in MP4 format, and it does come with loop recording. Moving on to installation, one reason why we love the recent VIOFO dashcams is because of its static sticker. VIOFO introduced this with the VIOFO A229, and they've brought the sticker to the WM1. This goes right onto the front windshield, and the dashcam goes right onto the sticker. In other words, you're not mounting the dashcam directly onto the glass, you're doing it right on the sticker itself. And once you've mounted it, you can adjust the bracket angle up and down for up to 60 degrees depending on your video recording requirements. This hinge adjustment can also allow the camera to be mounted on a 90-degree vertical window, such as the back window of a pickup truck or an SUV, or on the fixed side window to provide auxiliary left and right cameras. In terms of power, the WM1 comes with a 12-volt power cable that you can plug into your car's cigarette lighter socket if you want a simple plug-and-play solution, though this won't support parking mode as many of you already know. Moving on to parking mode, this is pretty standard when it comes to VIOFO dashcams. It comes with 3 different parking recording modes. So you've got auto event detection with buffer recording, low bitrate recording, and time-lapse recording. The most important one here that you will probably be using is the auto event detection with buffered recording. What this does is that it will automatically record for 45 seconds while a moving object is detected. So if any impact is detected, it'll give you footage 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after, so you get a full understanding of the incident itself. But regardless of the parking mode you're using, you will need to use the HK4 hardwiring cable or the battery pack like the BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8 to activate this feature on the WM1. Let's talk about temperature resistance on the WM1. It's got great heat tolerance. So if you're living in a warmer region, a dashcam's life may not be as long, especially when it's powered by a lithium-ion battery. This is something that is often overlooked by our customers, and we cannot stress how important you should have a dash cam with a supercapacitor. With a supercapacitor, it allows the dash cam to withstand the most frigid, cold, and intense heat, guaranteeing more safety and provides even longer lifespan than lithium-ion batteries. So compared to other one-channel dash cams like the A119 V3 that has an operating temperature of 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, the WM1 is more resistant with its operating temperature of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, providing you better peace of mind and reliability in various weather conditions. So let's summarize. If you're getting the WM1, you're going to enjoy 2K QHD video resolution, Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor, f1.8 aperture, and 135-degree wide viewing angle, supercapacitor, built-in GPS logger, built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, G-sensor, motion detection, 3 parking modes, buffered parking mode, loop recording and auto emergency lock, voice notifications, and all of this for $99.99. And there you have it, folks, the VIOFO WM1 one-channel 2K dash cam. It's got clear 2K QHD, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, intelligent parking modes, mobile app, and much more. And most importantly, it's also one of the smallest dash cams on the market today. And the last thing we'll mention is if you're looking to make your dash cam even more weather resistant, do consider the new BlackboxMyCar Aqua Shield Rain Guard, which is going to protect your dash cam from droplets, dust, and other environmental elements that can ruin your recording, defeating the purpose of having a dash cam in the first place. So if you're looking for a front-only dash cam that has no screen, the essential features, and is discreet with a small profile, then look no further than the WM1. However, if you're a bit more old school and prefer having that physical screen, then we'd recommend sticking with the VIOFO A119 V3. The WM1 is now available at BlackboxMyCar. You can learn more about this and other VIOFO products on our website. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we're happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching. We've included the product links below so you can check them out. And if you're interested in making a purchase, be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube at checkout to take 5% off. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button on your way out to support us. Thanks for watching.